Are you a content creator looking for ways to improve your content? Then look no further. In this video, we'll go over some of the popular accessories to do just that. Let's get started. Here are 3 popular items creators use to improve the quality of their content. Let's start with the tripod. This tripod has 3 functions. It's a tripod, a selfie stick, and it can also control your smartphone using a remote. This is really popular for vloggers and other on-the-go content creators. So let's go ahead and unbox this item. Okay, getting into the box, let's go ahead and pull out the tripod itself. Go ahead and remove it from the bag it's in. So there's the tripod. It also comes with a phone mount. This will fit basically any smartphone, from the plus sizes all the way to the small ones. And then there's a charging cable for the remote that connects via Bluetooth. So there's the tripod. Let's go ahead and demonstrate the tripod function. So we're going to go ahead and install the phone mount on the top. There you go. Now this is the controller used to control your smartphone. You can take pictures, start a video without ever touching your smartphone. It is made of aluminum, so it is pretty durable. And we're going to go ahead and test the extension function. This will increase the height of your tripod, or you can use it as a selfie stick. As you see, it goes pretty high up. So I'm going to go ahead and just demonstrate how to mount the phone onto the tripod. So unlike most mounts, this one uses a screw to tighten. Most of them are spring loaded. So just go ahead and place the phone in and tighten the top until it's snug. This phone is an iPhone 8, but like I said before, it can use basically any size phone. Along with height, you can also tilt the phone to get the angle you need to get the perfect shot, as demonstrated here. Next up, we're going to just demonstrate the selfie stick function. It is pretty strong, so it can handle most phones. But there's that. The next accessory we're going to take a look at is the ring light tripod mount. This is really popular with beauty and other makeup content creators. So let's go ahead and take a look at this accessory. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the box contents. So opening the lid, we're going to go ahead and take out the tripod. And we're going to set it up real quick. Next up is going to be the ring light itself. Okay, as you see, those are the controls for the light, conveniently placed on the front for easy access. And we're going to go ahead and install this on the tripod right now. Adjust that real quick. So just go ahead and mount it and then tighten it up. And it should be nice and snug. Okay, also included in the box is a little accessories pouch to put your phone and maybe the phone mount if you need to. So that's what that looks like. And then underneath that, there should be one more box. Just go and grab that and open it up. Inside, you're gonna get the phone mount. This will fit basically any modern phone from big to small. Just go and place that down. Next up will be the power adapter. This will power the light. Some paperwork. And then you're gonna get a remote control to control the light if you need to. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and install the phone mount onto the tripod. The phone mount goes right in the middle of the ring light. So let's go ahead and install that real quick. Go ahead and tighten it up. And there you go. We're gonna go ahead and use the same phone, the iPhone 8, and let's mount it into place. This one is spring loaded, unlike the other accessory. And that's what it should look like. And there you have it. That is the ring light tripod mount. And there's a light demonstration there. There are 3 colors in total to match skin tone. And it does get pretty bright too. And that is the second accessory. The final accessory we're going to take a look at in this video is a lavalier mic. This is really good for people that do interviews or like to move around during their content. So this mic will keep the audio nice and crisp, regardless of where you are. So let's go ahead and open the box and take out the mic. So as you see, that's the mic. It's going to clip on your shirt or wherever you need it to get sound. See, it's pretty small, so it's easy to hide. So that's the actual microphone itself. Next up is going to be the transceiver. This is what you'll connect to your iPhone, and this is what will transmit the audio to and from the mic. There's a few ports on the side. Okay, next up will be a separate box. This will contain the USB cable. This will charge the transceiver because it does run on battery. And then the last thing is paperwork, telling you how to set it up and the app you'll need to make it function. If you would like me to do an audio test of this microphone, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. It really helps me out a ton. I'll have a link for everything in the description down below, so you can check out the prices. Everything is pretty affordable, so this is perfect for people just getting started. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.